What we decided to do was that we are very picky about the actual individual components that go into a server. So we buy all the individual components and we piece together the best server that we can. Over time, we have found the hardware architecture that maximizes performance for our users.
When something breaks, we're not calling a vendor and saying we don't know what's going wrong. We know because we built it. We built all the parts. We often know that a box is headed for having some trouble long before the customer has any idea that there's going to be any trouble. There will be nothing that happens that we don't know is happening.
So we can actually give you SSH access and let you log in through Shell, and we have Ruby on Rails and a lot of services that other hosts just don't even offer. Due to the technology that we have here, those guys can run those services and have a nice little environment to test and work on, rather than having to pay for a dedicated server to do that, which is normally what they would have to do.
We don't let the grass grow under our feet here in terms of old hardware. The hardware's moved out. We're constantly upgrading. And again, the customer gets to take advantage of that.
We've also made our platform work well with every open source software out there, WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, and to create a system that works and scales to now millions of websites, trillions of hits.
Most companies with hosting, when you have a service that's running in Linux that's eating up a lot of resources, the only thing that they could do if it kind of got stuck is kill the process.
Well, we developed the technology to be able to isolate individual users so that their performance won't affect the performance of others.
When we have a user whose account is abusing the server resource-wise, we can actually get around that and not cause problems for the other customers. Downtime is less on Bluehost because they have these technologies that nobody else has.
Between the hardware that goes into our servers and then software technology, we have the best shared hosting platform on the planet.